What is up, Fordham? I hope that you and your families are all healthy and well during this difficult period. To introduce myself, my name is Davis, and I am going to be the president of the Fordham Marketing Association for the 2020 through 2021 academic year. Since the club fair is taking place virtually this year, and we can't be there physically in person to answer your questions, me and two of my fellow executive board members are putting together this short video to describe what we do as a club, what events we put on, and relay some of the opportunities that being a part of our organization can lead to. To briefly summarize, the Fordham Marketing Association strives to make marketing universal by encouraging students of all disciplines to, quote-unquote, build their own brand through professional development, community service, leadership, and innovation. We work to provide members with a wide range of opportunities to learn about the marketing industry and encourage hands-on development across a broad spectrum of concentrations and specialties. In addition to this, FMA is the official Fordham chapter of the American Marketing Association. The American Marketing Association, or AMA, is a network of over 30,000 marketing professionals and students from all across the United States. AMA not only provides students with an ample amount of resources to learn about the field, but by joining, you get opportunities to connect and network with experts in the industry.
Hi, my name is Grace. I'm a senior and I'm the treasurer for Fordham Marketing Association. And I joined the club when I was a freshman, and I think it's a really great way to get involved in the business school and to meet other people who have similar career interests to you. So I think it's a great opportunity, and I hope anyone who's interested decides to join. The main events that our organization hosts are bi-monthly panels where we invite professionals who work in different industries such as sports, technology, fashion, to come back and speak about their experiences. And there's time at the end for a Q&A and afterwards to network. So it's a great opportunity to meet young professionals. And we also have at least one corporate site visit per semester. So last year we went to visit Ogilvy and IPG Media Brands, and this is also a great opportunity to learn more about the industry. And we offer professional development opportunities such as professor keynotes, LinkedIn profile photo shoots, and also resume reviews. And finally, there's other ways to get involved in the club, such as community service events and fundraisers that are a lot of fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Wu. I'm a rising junior in Gabelli, where I'm majoring in marketing and minoring in fashion studies. I'm going on my third year in FMA and my second year on eBoard. Last year I was VP of Marketing and Communications, and I'm going to continue that role into this year. I'm going to briefly talk to you about how I got my summer internship through one of the FMA panels. So I'm sure Grace talked about this before, but one of the big things we do in FMA is host panels with Fordham alum, which is great for networking opportunities and great to help you land that first job or first internship or whatever. So I gained my summer internship this year through one of those panels. I'm currently a travel PR intern with Nike Communications, which is a luxury marketing agency. So I was able to network with the Fordham alum. After the panel, I was able to ask them questions, keep in touch afterwards, and eventually I got an interview and I gained the position after I interviewed with them. I think that's one of the best things of FMA, especially because networking is such a huge part of the marketing industry, and it's so important that FMA allows you to get those networking opportunities and eventually help you interact with Fordham alum to gain that first internship or that first job.
If you have any interest in joining the Fordham Marketing Association, then please shoot a message to fma@fordham.edu in order to get signed up to our email list. By being a part of our email list, you'll get notifications with information about our events, will be given resources to network, and also sent out emails regarding potential internship opportunities based in Manhattan. Feel free to also email us with any questions you may have about the club at all. As a lot of the logistics regarding our fall schedule are still tentative at the time of shooting this video, we'll be sending updates in relation to this topic when we reach out to you all. Any additional information can be found on our website, fordhammarketingassociation.com.
The social media handles will be linked at the end of this video, but as Davis said, the best way to get involved with the organization is to just shoot an email to fma@fordham.edu, and then you will be put on our email list and you can hear more from us.